as a entrepreneur, you know pretty much one or two areas very well, and everywhere else, as far as it goes with building a business, is just something you have to pick up along the way. So probably the biggest piece of advice I could give to everyone is find mentors and find people who know about building a business and can assist with that. Entrepreneurs are going to get very familiar with reaching out and making cold calls to potential customers or, advisors, things like that. And you get pretty familiar with being rejected, honestly. It's a numbers game. Technical fields, there's lots of introverts like myself. And so over time, just speaking with other individuals, which is something you have to do when you're building a company, there's no way around it. It's a numbers game. Just over time, you do it more and more. And what I was told by my first mentor actually was you have to go out there and get your nose bloodied a little bit. You go and you speak with different companies and different individuals. And at first, your pitch or your story, is very unrefined, and you don't have much confidence in it. And it takes a while to build up that whole story and build up your own confidence to be able to go out there and speak with other individuals and really get them interested and get them involved. You do have to try and block time out for different projects. And even if you don't have hard deadlines for things, set soft deadlines for yourself, put them in your calendar, responding to so-and-so today with, this document, and make sure that you're actually hitting those goals as well as you can, at least. So the challenges, some of them you might know ahead of time, like for example, how do I develop marketing materials when I have no background in marketing? Those are definitely foreseeable. Without a doubt, most of your challenges are going to be the unforeseeable kind, which is unfortunate, but that's just the way it is. The more of them that you do. So again, it's a numbers game. So you need to actually put yourself in situations where you're going to be doing public speaking that you actually need to volunteer yourself to do. And it's just going through these different presentations that you give that you become better at telling that story and at public speaking. So I'm by no means an expert at public speaking, but as a strong introvert, it was something I was always terrified of doing. And so the best way around that also is practice, practice, practice. If you sit down, you do your research, you connect with your mentors, you'll be able to find a solution and move forward. It might not be the best possible thing, but you'll come up with a good solution and you'll be able to move forward. So it's look at everything as a learning opportunity, really, and you'll figure it out and you'll keep moving along.